हाँ बेटा, what can you see in this picture? Can you see a palace?
What, ma'am?
What can you see in this picture? You can see a palace.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So in this lesson, we are going to learn about everything about Rajput age. Now, what is the meaning of this Rajput age? Rajput meaning anyone knows what is Rajput?
No, ma'am.
Huh? Anyone knows what is the meaning of Rajput? Yes, Rabia.
Sorry, ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know anyone? Okay. Now, what it is? Rajput means Raja Putra. Raja ke putra. Okay, Rajput. Is it clear? What does it mean? Rajput means Raja ke
મેમ
putra.
તમારો
Okay.
અવાજ બહુ ધીમો આવે છે, થોડુંક ફાસ્ટ બોલો ને.
Yes, no one can listen me, or she is only having that problem.
She is only
Ma'am,
having problem.
she's only having problem, ma'am.
Can you listen me properly, girls?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay. Who is not able to listen me?
Ma'am, I am Miri Fatima.
So Amiri Fatima, you set your earphones properly. Okay, beta. Maybe there is a network issue at your place or maybe at my place. But थोड़ा adjust करो. Okay. So in this lesson, beta, basically we are going to learn about after the disintegration of Harshvardhan. Okay, let me introduce what we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay. See, Emperor Harshvardhan, you know better, he was a very powerful king in the who ruled over most of the regions of North India. Yes or no? Yes or no, beta?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Now, after he died, when did he die? He died in the middle of the 7th century in the year in 647 AD. Okay. When did he die? In the middle of 7th century. Okay. And after that, what happens, beta? A political unity of the kingdom of his great kingdom disintegrated. वो अलग होने लगा. क्या होने लगा बेटा? डिसइंटीग्रेट होने लगा. एक राज्य दूसरे राजाओं से अलग होने लगे, डिसइंटीग्रेट होने लगे. Right? So what happens after that, beta? That the tributaries, kings, then landlords, leaders, etc., they all started themselves declaring independence. Okay, and after that, beta, the power of all these kings, landlords, and leaders increased so much that in India, beta, got divided into different states, several big and small states. This is how, beta, all these new dynasties came into existence. About all these new dynasties we are going to learn in this lesson. Is it clear what we are going to learn in this lesson about the Gurjar, Pratihara, Pal, Cholakya, Chauhan, Sen, Solanki डायनेस्टी, इन सब डायनेस्टीज के बारे में हम इस लेसन में लर्न करेंगे. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल इन नॉर्थ इंडिया अगर मुझे याद हो तो गुर्जर डायनेस्टी, प्रतिहारा, पाला, चालुक्य, चौहान, सेन, सोलंकी डायनेस्टीज का फॉर्मेशन हुआ. और साउथ इंडिया में पल्लवा, राष्ट्रकूता, चेरा, कल्याण, पंड्या, ये सब डायनेस्टी का, वो हिल, चेड़ी और ये सब डायनेस्टी का फॉर्मेशन हुआ. किसके डेथ के बाद? हर्षवर्धन और पुलकेशी टू के डेथ के बाद. अंडरस्टूड? रिमेम्बर यहाँ फर्स्ट लेसन में हमने किया था. रिमेम्बर और नॉट गर्ल्स? Yes, am I audible, girl?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll show you in the first lesson end. Yes. See here. Last paragraph. Read Rabia last paragraph.
Yes, ma'am. Harshvardhan and Pulkeshi too were contemporary rulers. However, Harsh fought fewer battles as compared to Pulkeshi, who continued waging wars. He finally met his end in 642 CE in a conflict with the Pallav king of Kanchipuram. King Harshvardhan died 5 years after him.
Yes, understood. So after this, you know, इनके death के बाद all the North Indian states and South Indian states they became independent. सारे king जो होते थे वो independent होने लगे, खुद खुद को ही dynasties form करने लगे. That they starting themselves declaring independent. All the chieftains, landlords, and all the you can say tributary kings. Right? They started declaring themselves independent. And this is how small and big states, several small and big states were formed. Of this, all the states we are going to learn in this lesson. Right? Now, before that, this was just an introduction. Now, how all this starts, right? That we will see. Okay? Yes, beta, continue. Rabia, continue.
Yes, ma'am. Chapter number 4, Rajput Age. Parimal was watching a historical serial on TV in which he saw a palace. A thought arose in his mind. Are such palaces still in existence? Who has constructed such palaces? Being curious, he went to his grandfather to get answers to this and other similar questions. His grandfather told him a few things like what is discussed below.
Continue, beta.
Such palaces were constructed by kings in ancient times. We, we come across many such palaces, some of which are in ruins while others are in good condition. There is a difference between the construction of structures in present times and the kind of work done in earlier ages. From these differences, we can make out the period during which a particular structure was constructed. Monuments constructed during the Rajput age can be seen even today. To know about that era, let us know about the main Indian dynasties of that time.
Yes. Yes, very good. So, in this first paragraph, what is written about the Rajput age lesson? That Parimal, like you all girls and boys who sit and watch televisions, right? In many of the televisions shows, like movies and serials, you watch this type of palace. Then immediately a question will arise in your mind: कि who might have constructed this palace? Which king was the ruler at that particular time? है ना? ऐसे क्वेश्चन हमारे माइंड में आते रहते हैं. Yes or no, girls? आता है कि नहीं आता है? Girls? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, who might have constructed this palace? Are these palaces, such type of palaces, still there, or it's just in the movie? So, being curious, Parimal also goes to his grandparents and asks such questions. Okay, who might have constructed? Which king was the ruler at that time? Right? All these type of questions were asked by Parimal to his grandfather. His grandfather told him a few things like what is discussed below. Yes. Such palaces were constructed by kings in ancient times. Yes, such palaces were constructed by the kings in the ancient times. अभी अगर समझो मोदी सा के ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को ऐसा किला ऐसा हाउस बनाना हो कोई हाउस बनाना हो तो विल दे आस्क फॉर सच टाइप ऑफ हाउस और दे विल आस्क फॉर अ सिंपल सोबर हाउस ऐसा पैलेस बनाएंगे हम लोग के टेनामेंट बनाएंगे
Palace.
हाँ
Tournament.
Yes, we cannot construct such type of houses because all such type of houses were constructed in ancient times. Yes or no? So we come across many such palaces, some of which are in ruins. Ruins मतलब कि वो अभी टूट चुके हैं, right? They are not now in existence, right? And there is difference between the construction of structures in the present time and the kind of work done in the earlier ages. For these differences, we can make out the period during which this type of constructions were done, right? Constructed. So now, monuments constructed during the Rajput age can be even seen today, right? To know more about the era, let us know about the main Indian dynasties of that particular time. Okay, so now comes the rise of new dynasties. Yes, who will like to read?
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
read?
can I Aina?
Modest Rajani.
Ma'am, can I Aina?
Ma'am, can I son?
Yes, Modesa Rajani, you can.
Ma'am, can I read it, ma'am?
Modesa Rajani.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
after
Modesa Rajani.
yes, I will
Yes,
read.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Rise of the dynasties. After the death of After the death of Emperor Harshvardhan in the middle of 7th century CE, many feud- many feud- many feudals, chieftains, and landlords declared themselves to be independent and founded new dynasties. Many
Yes,
dynasties
continue.
came into
Things to
many
know.
dynasties came
Things
into
to know.
yes, things to know who
I
is
wait 1 minute. Touching the screen and the screen moves on. Touch screen is one. It has some pros also and some cons also, right? The work becomes easier. Sometimes it becomes very tough.
Yes.
Yes,
things
Sita,
to know
continue.
who is a feudal lord or landlord. The vast empire was divided into different provinces, three parts. The person who collected the revenue of a particular
Revenue
province.
એટલે શું ખબર છે? Revenue એટલે taxes, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Province was called landlord or feudal lord. Samantha. The landlord gave some portion of land revenue to the king. He kept the rest with him, out of which he maintained an army. He sent his army wherever the king needed help. In time, this landlord became powerful and feudalism. Samantha Shahi co- came came into existence.
Very good. So all this is about how the new dynasties were formed. As I said you first only in the introduction, okay, after the death of Harshvardhan, right, Emperor Harshvardhan, in the middle of 17th century, say in approximately 647 AD, right, many feudal chieftains and landlords declared themselves to be independent, right? कि अब तो हमारे राजा नहीं रहे, अब हम इंडिपेंडेंट हैं. And so they started founding a new dynasties, right? So many dynasties were formed, okay, came into existence. Okay, who will say from this para, find out yourself and say, okay,
Ma'am,
what?
can I?
नॉर्थ इंडिया में कौन सी डायनेस्टीज फॉर्मेशन हुई और साउथ इंडिया में कौन सी डायनेस्टीज फॉर्मेशन हुई? चलो, it is written on your screen only. Find out and say me.
मैम मैं कहूँ महोदयसा।
हाँ कहो बेटा।
मैम नॉर्थ इंडिया में गुर्जार, प्रतिहार, पाल, चालुक्य, परमार एंड चौहान डायनेस्टी।
चौहान।
चौहान डायनेस्टी।
वेरी गुड। और साउथ इंडिया
और
में?
साउथ इंडिया में पल्लवा, राष्ट्रकूटा, कल्याणा,
वेरी गुड।
कल्याणा, चालुक्य, चेर, पंड्या एंड चोला डायनेस्टी।
Very good, very good. Chalo. So many dynasties came into existence, right? In the main dynasties ruling North India were the Gurjar, Pratihara, Pal, Cholakya, Parmar, right? Chauhan dynasty, etc. And among those in the South India were the Pratihara, then the Pallava, Rashtrakuta, Kalyani, Chet, Pandya and Chola dynasty. Okay? तो वन बाय वन पहले हम नॉर्थ इंडिया के पढ़ेंगे और फिर हम साउथ इंडिया के पढ़ेंगे। जैसे हमने याद हो तो फर्स्ट लेसन में नॉर्थ इंडिया और साउथ इंडिया ही पहले पढ़ा था ना, टू बिग स्टेट्स में। यस और नो?
यस
ओके यस बेटा।
Yes, ma'am.
यस।
मैम कैन आई रीड डायना?
यस आई नो यू कैन।
मैम कैन आई रीड डायना?
यस आई नो यू कैन।
North India. After the death of Harsha, many kings ascended the throne of Kannauj. Among them, Yashovarma is considered as a powerful ruler. After him, the Pratihara dynasty established its rule in Kannauj. They protect India from Arab invasions. Mihir Bhoj, who was also known as Bhoj, was the most powerful ruler of this dynasty. He fought many battles with the Rush, Rush,
राष्ट्रकूटास।
Rashtrakutas during his reign. We will learn about the Rashtrakutas later. The
Yes.
Parmar dynasty ruled Malwa, Ujjain and Dharnagari.
उज्जैन एंड धारनगरी।
Ujjain and
उज्जैन।
Ujjain and Dharnagari were the two main cities of Malwa. Dharnagari is also known as the Dhar district of Madhya
धार
Pradesh.
डिस्ट्रिक्ट। धार डिस्ट्रिक्ट।
Dhar district of Madhya Pradesh at present. King Moj and King Bhoj of Parmar dynasty were not only good rulers but also good poets. And they gave patronage to the scholars in their courts. Raja Bhoj or King Bhoj made Dhar Nagari the center of studies Vidyanagari and established a university Vidyapit it for the study of Sanskrit literature. Many architecture monuments were built during this time. The Burmans fought many battles with the Chalukyas of the south. After the death of Raja Bhoj, the kingdom of Malwa weakened.
यस वेरी गुड। मालवा Weekend એટલે કે ઢીલું પડી ગયું, right? Now what is that, beta? If I would like to compare with the lesson number 1, okay? Do you remember we studied about the Harshvardhan and how he came on the throne, कैसे struggle किया था? Anyone remembers about Harshvardhan?
Yes, ma'am.
Who can say me some points about Harshvardhan?
Ma'am, can I, Rabia?
Yes, Rabia, you can.
Um, uh, Before Harshvardhan, his elder brother, uh, before Harshvardhan, his elder brother Rajyavardhan was on the throne.
Very
And
good.
when Rajyavardhan died, after that Harshvardhan came to throne. Rajyavardhan died while saving his sister Rajyashri. So after coming to throne, Harshvardhan did some important jobs like he imprisoned Rajyashri,
Very good.
and he he also killed King God Shashank, God King Shashank, who had kidnapped Rajyashri and killed Rajyavardhan.
Very good. और फिर बस which
Uh,
part he used to rule? Huh? Which part Harsh?
he also Harshvardhan, ma'am, I don't remember the name of the part, but as Rajyashri's husband had also died, so Harshvardhan also took over that area into his rule.
Okay. If you remember, see, नॉर्थ इंडिया साउथ इंडिया के बारे में हमने कुछ किया था.
Yes,
So by which part did Harshvardhan rule? He ruled on South India or North India? हर्षवर्धन, राबिया लिसन टू माय क्वेश्चन कि हर्षवर्धन ने कौन से टाइप कहाँ पे रूल किया था?
North India.
हाँ. तो ऑल दिस अभी हम जो कर रहे हैं वो नॉर्थ इंडिया में हर्षवर्धन से आ रहा है ये. रीड दिस पैराग्राफ सो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. रीड दिस पैराग्राफ. रीड इट अलाउड.
North India. After the death of Harsh, many kings ascended the throne of Kanauj. Among them, Yashovarma is
अशोक वर्मा.
considered as Yashovarma is considered as a powerful ruler. After him, the Pratihara dynasty established its rule in Kanauj. They protected India from Arab invasions. Mihir Bhoj, who was also known as Bhoj, was the most powerful ruler of this dynasty. He fought many battles with the Rashtrakutas
राष्ट्र.
during Rashtrakutas during his reign. We will learn about the Rashtrakutas later. The Parmar dynasty ruled Malwa. Ujjain and Dhar Nagari were the two main cities of Malwa. Dhar Nagari is known as the Dhar district of Madhya Pradesh as at present. King King Munj and King Bhoj of Parmar dynasty were not only good rulers but also good poets. They gave pat- they gave
Yes, continue, continue.
patronage to the scholars in their courts. Raja Bhoj or King Bhoj made Dhar Nagari the center of studies and established a university for the study of Sanskrit literature. Many architectural monuments were built during this time. The Parmars fought many battles
Cholukyas.
with the Chalukyas and the south and with the Chalukyas of the south. After the death of Raja Bhoj, the kingdom of Malwa weakened.
Yes. So, better comparing, if you say, then all this what we are learning about North India. आप समझ रहे हो? तो आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ हर्षा हम समझ कर रहे हैं ये सब. तो ये हम कहाँ की बात कर रहे हैं बेटा? That after the death of Harshvardhan, many kings ascended the throne of Kanauj. Yes or no? Where will they ascend the throne? एक नहीं दो नहीं मतलब many kings came on the throne of Harshvardhan. Do you get my point? Do you get my point? Yes or no? मतलब कि ये हम जब लोग करते हैं, it is everything after the Emperor Harshvardhan as a powerful king. He ruled over most of the region of North India. Davia, where did he rule, beta?
North India.
Most of the regions of North India. So after his death, okay, Yashovarma is considered as the most powerful ruler. Who is considered, beta?
Yashovarma.
Yes, absolutely right. Yashovarma is considered as the most powerful ruler, and among them, other rulers were also there. ऐसा नहीं है खाली यशोवर्मा ही थे. Other rulers भी थे, but Yashovarma is considered as the most powerful of them. Is it clear to you? Yes. And then, beta, they protected India from Arab. What did Yashovarma did? What did Yashovarma did, beta? He did many inventions. He did many good works, right, for the betterment of the society, for the people. And beta, after him, Yashovarma के बाद Pratihara dynasty established the ruling Kannauj. Now they protected India from Arab inventions. Mihir Bhoj, who was known as Bhoj. Bhoj matlab kya? It is his name. Bhoj is what, beta? Just his name. Okay? Bhoj means what, beta? मिहिर भोज का जो नाम है दैट इज हाँ हाँ मिहिर भोज इज हु बेटा? ही इज ऑल्सो नोन एज भोज. इज इट क्लियर? He was most powerful ruler of this dynasty and he fought many battles with Rashtrakutas during his reign. राष्ट्रकूटस के बारे में हम अगले लेसन में पढ़ेंगे. चलो, anyone any doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
Okay. But still you will revise from here because this will become a little, confusing. If we keep on moving ahead, then it will become a little confusing. Chalo, who will read this?
Ma'am, can I read in Fatima?
Sania.
7th Dima.
Ma'am, can I read Insia Fatima?
हाँ बेटा, read. Think points છે રચિતા મેમ? Yes, Insha. Say, read बेटा.
Ma'am, from North India, no?
हाँ, એ તો મેં લખેલું છે. Yes બેટા, Insha.
Ma'am, from North India.
Yes. No, from up.
Many dynasties came into existence. The main dynasties ruling North India were the Gurjar, Prathira, Pal, Chalukya, Parmar, and Chauhan dynasties. Among those in South India were the Pallava. Ma'am, your screen is not visible properly. Ma'am, your screen is not visible. Ma'am, now it's visible. Yes. Pallava, Rashtrakuta, Kalyani, Chalukya, Chair, Pandya, and Chola dynasties. The kingdoms of the early medieval period were divided into two parts. Number one, North India. Number two, South India. North India. After the death of Harsha, many kings ascended the throne of Kannauj. Among them, Yashovarma is considered as a powerful ruler. After him, the Prathira dynasty established its
Prathihara dynasty established its rule in Kannauj. They protected India from Arab
Invention.
inventions. Mihir Bhoj, who was also known as Bhoj, was the most powerful ruler of this dynasty. He fought many battles with the Rashtrakutas during his region.
During his region. Okay.
Yes, region. We will learn about the Rashtrakutas later.
Yes,
The
correct.
farmer,
Anyone any doubt till here?
no ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Girls, any doubt?
No ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is homework?
Read the lesson today as a part of homework, okay? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Yes.
Ma'am, what is the homework?
Okay. Read the lesson, okay? All of you?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo, bye all of you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Take care.
Bye,